We have antifungal nail liquid. So this is great for affected toes, maybe fingers, thumbs. There's a little guide right here of before and after testimonies, and this is how it comes. It does have information on how to use this product. It comes in a nice glass bottle, and it is a dropper, which makes it really nice and easy for application. Simply unscrew the lid here. The dropper does screw on nicely. And when you go to use it, you just squeeze the dropper, put it in the liquid, unsqueeze it, and there you go. And so now you can put it on all of your affected areas. Back here it has all the information on the back, ingredients, how to use. It also comes with a huge assortment of cotton swabs for easy application. I like that it has the round edge and the pointed edge to get it in between those crevices, because sometimes the fungus gets in between your nail and your skin. So this helps with application. You can see it in use here. This is an extra strength antifungal liquid. It absorbs nicely and quickly into your skin and your nail, which makes application easy. It gives you instant comfort and it's a lasting repair. It's good for athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm, and it's designed to give you relief of itching, burning, redness, and irritation. It soothes your skin from discomfort and itchy, scaly skin, especially between the toes. You do want to make sure that you clean your skin and your feet really well, especially if you're dealing with like athlete's foot or jock itch. You can see me applying it here. So it goes on nicely. It's so easy to just rub on your skin between your nails, your cuticles.